Advocating for long-term disability claims. Dealing with a long-term disability can be challenging enough, but when your claim is denied, it can feel overwhelming. Hi, I'm Brar from Solution Law, and today I will explain how we can, as your lawyer, can help you secure the benefit you deserve. Number 1. Understanding long-term disability claims. Long-term disability insurance is designed to provide financial support if you cannot work due to serious injury or illness. But many claims are denied because of insufficient medical evidence or misinterpretation of policy terms. At Solution Law, we take the time to understand your condition and gather the medical evidence necessary to build a strong case. Next step is navigating the appeal process. If your claim is denied, do not lose hope. Most policies allow for an appeal, and this is your opportunity to provide additional evidence and challenge the insurer's decision. We handle the entire appeal process, from collecting the necessary documents to negotiating directly with the insurance company on your behalf. Next step is taking legal action when necessary. If the insurance company refuses to honor your claim, legal action might be required. While this often is a last resort, it's sometimes necessary to ensure justice. At Solution Law, we are not afraid to take your case to court. We will fight tirelessly to secure the benefits you are entitled to. Next step is protecting your rights. As your disability lawyer, our goal is to protect your rights at every stage of the process. We understand the tactics insurance company may use to delay or deny claims. We know how to counter them effectively. Your focus should be on your health and recovery. Leave the legal battle on us. If you are struggling with a long-term disability claim, know that you do not have to face this alone. At Solution Law, we are here to guide you every step of the way. Call us today and let us fight for the benefits you deserve. Solution Law, your trusted advocate for long-term disability claim.